in Kali, the elbow techniques are some of the most powerful empty hand fighting techniques that we have. The elbows can do such immense damage very quickly to an opponent. In Kali, we can use the elbows at long range, empty hands, as destructions, and then we also want to use them as cortal range to destroy the opponent, right? To take them out of commission. And elbows can do that very, very quickly. They're like little blades, like having little knives on the end. So what I want to do is take you through a little bit of a short form that's going to work through the various different techniques, elbow striking techniques that we find in the empty hands of Kali. Sometimes this is known as Pangamut or Panentukan or even Suntukan, depending on what style of Filipino martial arts that you're training, that you're coming from, what dialect that you're using. But let's go ahead and break it down, because at the end of the day, there's only so many ways that we can strike with our elbows. So you can take a fighting stance if you want, right lead, left lead, or if you want to in the beginning, you could take a neutral stance, a natural stance. You want to be able to fight from all these positions. In Kali, it doesn't matter what foot is forward, or even if we're in a more natural position, we should be able to initiate any kind of engagement from any one of these positions. So in the beginning, if you want to take a neutral stance, please feel free to do so. So our first elbow strikes, we're going to work on our diagonals and horizontals. I'm going to come up on the diagonal strike and then come up on the upward diagonal elbow on the other side. We're then going to come across on the horizontal and then across on the horizontal. Come downward diagonal, downward diagonal. And these are the first three elbows, and it's the first half of the form. Very simple, but these are very, very powerful strikes, very versatile, that we can use from long range tactical or short range tactical. And they're very, very powerful, and they're very, very fast. And they have a lot of leverage, so you can protect yourself with them. You could use them in counters. You could use them in offensive attacks. So these are our first ones. Okay. The second half of the form, now we're going to come up on the upper vertical uppercut. Then we're going to do the reverse vertical. We're going to come across on the horizontal, and then we're going to do the reverse horizontal. Now we're going to tuck this in very close, and then we're going to spear, so almost like a thrusting elbow, and then drop it. And then we're going to do the same thing with the other side. We're going to go vertical uppercut, vertical reverse, so all the way through, come across on that horizontal, then we're going to go reverse horizontal, tuck it in nice and close, spear the elbow forward, and then drop it. And then the form would start all over again. We have our upward diagonal, our horizontal, we're putting everything in there. Downward diagonal. Second part, vertical uppercut, vertical reverse. Across on that horizontal, reverse horizontal. Tuck it in nice and tight, spear it forward, drop it. Other side, vertical uppercut, vertical reverse. Come across on the horizontal, reverse horizontal. Keep it tucked in nice and tight, spear it forward, and then drop elbow. Right there. Practice this, and then you can start taking these techniques over to a heavy bag. And then I'll come back on here and we'll go through some partner applications. That way you can start learning how to apply the elbows in various different types of scenarios. So stay tuned for that video. Be sure to subscribe, hit the thumbs up button if you enjoy the empty hands, and comment below, what do you think of my training location today? It's pretty spectacular up here. I mean, minus the power lines, but it's just an incredible view of some forest, some farmlands. Somebody's got a burn going on over there. If you want to continue your training with me, head over to KaliCenter.com. I have a link down in the description below, and check out my new Kali Foundation training course. It's a home study guide. It's a complete guide to solo training from beginner to advanced. And this course breaks down all 12 areas of Kali and gives you a step-by-step focus of this is how you train when you're on your own solitary time. If you're looking for more partner training and more direct one-on-one coaching, check out our online school. That is our membership that we have available. In there, we share partner training on-demand videos. We got a whole library of partner drills and training and all of that. And then you could also jump into our live stream classes. You can catch our playbacks from our live streaming classes. And you can also get one-on-one private video coaching calls as well. These are live stream video coaching calls that we would schedule with you to make sure that we're actually live with you and you get to work directly with your Kali Center coach. So check it out. Link is down below in the description to KaliCenter.com. Sure to subscribe and get outside and do some Kali training outside. I challenge you to do that at least once this week. All right. And then let me know down in the comments, where did you go? Did you go to the mountains? Did you go to the beach? Did you go to the lake? Did you go to the desert? Where did you go? Let me know down in the comments. Or if you already have a place that you go to, let me know. Love to hear your outdoor training experiences. All right, I'll catch you back here next time. Go throw some elbows.